Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today, just a short video. I'd like to do a quick shout out for a shop card that I received in the mail of a YouTube channel that I recently subbed to and have really been enjoying his content. I got this shop card from Papa's Model Workshop, and he actually received my shop card earlier and gave me a shout out, so thank you very much for the shout out, Papa. I really appreciate it. So if you guys haven't checked out his channel yet, he's got lots of builds, some excellent advice and tips and tricks for modelers of all skill levels, and just a really friendly guy. Just love listening to him. So make sure you go check him out, give him a sub, and tell him Dave over at the Plastic Imagination Workshop sent you. I think his channel is an excellent addition to our community of scale model builder channels. And like I said, just a really great guy and lots of great videos. So be sure to go check him out. And while I've got you here, I'd also like to give a quick shout out to my online store. If you'd like to show off your love for the hobby and support the channel, go take a look at my line of scale model themed merchandise. From t-shirts and hoodies to stickers and mugs. It's a fun way to share your passion for modeling and help spread the word about this great hobby. I'll drop a link in the description below, or you can just scan the QR code on the screen and go check it out. Also, there's a lot more exciting content on the way, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks again to Papa's Model Workshop for the shout out and the shop card. I really appreciate it. And thank you all for your continued support here on the channel. So until next time, friends, be safe out there and go build something.